Hello friends, today I am going to make another nail art and it contains 5 different designs. So we are going to start with these nail paints, brushes, this U-pin and one tape. We can also use cello tape or whatever tape you have. So let's start with the base coat. Let it dry for 5 minutes. After this, we apply white nail paint. Now, with the help of tape, I'm gonna make a design. We have stick this tape to the nail in this manner. Now with the help of brush and this black nail paint, I'm gonna creating an outline. Now it looks like this. And again I'm going to use this brush and paint red color to draw heart. Now it looks like this. You can see. With this finger we are going to again stick this tape. Let it dry first, and here we come to this one. For this, we are going to draw lines like this with the help of pink, green, blue color. Here we go. First, we start with this blue. Now it looks like this, you can see. Friends, if you like my video, please like it, subscribe it and share it with your friends, and leave any comments. If you have anything you want to discuss with me, you can leave as a comment. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks.